Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to display the waveform of the comfy tens, and not only today I'm going to demonstrate the waveform appearance of this tens, but also I will try to show you what happens when you apply different modes. So please watch this video very carefully because it will give you an idea of how the waveform is generated and what are the appearances of the different waveforms onto the oscilloscope. So by visualizing these waveforms, I hope you can easily understand what happens to the muscle and how a muscle contracts when there are different waveforms that are applied to the muscles. So the setup is really very simple. I have attached the comfy stim or comfy tens to the oscilloscope. Here you can see both wires are connected, and right now the unit is turned off and there is no activity onto the oscilloscope. As soon as I turn on this unit, I've just turned this unit on and I'm increasing the intensity. So let's say I want you to see over there that this is the waveform of the burst tens. Now this is the burst mode. Here you can see that the mode right now is burst, and on burst mode this is the appearance of the waveform. As soon as I'm going to change the mode of the tens, the waveform appearance will change. So let's open this unit, and now from burst I'm changing it to normal. So in the normal, this waveform is just sustained, so there is a sustained contraction and then relaxation, then contraction and relaxation. But when it was burst, I will turn the unit to burst again. So here I will keep them side by side to each other, and this is the appearance of burst. Okay, as soon as I press the normal, now you see there is no burst, or there is just normal waves. Okay, modulation. In the modulation you can see this dancing wave, that it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. So this is basically modulation, and this prevents adaptation and accommodation. The next one is strength duration, SD1, and now you will see how the waveform is created. So gradually there is increase in the intensity of the current. So there is this wave that goes up and down. This is strand duration 1, and if I go to strand duration 2, it will be also similar to this, but with some parameters being changed, just a bit faster as compared to the strand duration 1, and again the burst. So this is the blinking, normal is sustained, modulation is when the waveform is jumping up and down, up and down, and strand duration 1 when it goes up like a wave and goes down in a slow manner, and strand duration 2 is when it goes up and down very fastly. And if I turn this unit off right now, there is no such activity onto the oscilloscope. These are the parameters. If you want to repeat the same experiment, you can see the time and division is at 50. This is just for the position. If I move this up and down, or it will take into right and left. This is the vertical position up and down, just for display. Then I've chose channel 1, so that's it. For channel 1, voltage and division is set to 5. Over here this is 5 and this is 10, so 5. And if you can see all the other parameters, you can clearly see these now, and you can replicate this experiment and try for yourself, and you can also try to see the waveform of any tens or any electric stimulation that you use. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.